4 squares with side lengths 4, 7, 9, and 10 are stacked in the same bottom left corner. So their left edges and bottom edges all line up. The smaller squares sit on top of the larger ones. The colors alternate. The size 4 and size 9 squares are white, while the size 7 and size 10 squares are gray. What is the area of the visible gray region? In square units? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's build the picture. Start with the biggest gray square. Side 10. Put the white square, side 9, on top of it, then the gray square, side 7, and finally the small white square, side 4. Only 2 squares are gray. The size 10 and the size 7. The size 9 white square covers the corner of the size 10 gray square. So what stays visible is the L-shaped border. Its area is 10 squared minus 9 squared, which is 100 minus 81, equals 19. The size 7 gray square is covered at its corner by the size 4 white square. So the visible gray there is another L shape. Its area is 7 squared minus 4 squared, which is 49 minus 16, equals 33. Adding the 2 visible gray pieces gives 19 plus 33, which is 52 square units. So the answer is 52.